So we're going to talk about two consonant sounds, B and V. And if your native language is Spanish, these two sounds could give you a little trouble in English sometimes. So for B, you're going to take top and bottom lips, put them together and build up air pressure behind them, and then release the air. B, and voice the sound. B. For V, you're going to take your top front teeth, push them onto your bottom lip, push air out as you voice the sound. And you're going to force the air out. V. B. V. Let's try some words. Bin, vin. Berry, very. Bet, vet. Boat, vote. Beer, veer.